Alright, hello friends, hello students, and in today's video I'm going to show you my new version of the Cannibal cards, and this is got inspirations from obviously my mentor Alan Ackerman, and I also have some really cool subtleties in this effect. So this is your setup. You have the 4 eights, then you have the 4 kings. What you're going to do is you're going to have those eights on top of the pack, okay? The order doesn't really matter, okay? Now you're going to have the kings, okay? What you want to do is you're going to take the kings and you're going to do a move from my friend Bill Goodwin, okay? I call him Billy the Kid. He's one of the best card men. He has some of the most visual card magic in all of the art of magic. And this is one of his moves. What you're going to do is you're going to take the kings, and as you in-jog the third one like this, and as you bring this up, what you're doing is you have this in-jog and you're going to get a break, so you have a break on your pinky in between two. Now you've got it in this 10 position, so you've just cleanly shown the 4 kings. You can let them examine them, and when you take them back, do this. So all you have to do is down jog the second one or the third one, and then when you bring it up, you're going to hold a break. So you have a break with your pinky back here. Now as you come over in the 10th position, you just pretend to take them. From this side you won't see anything because you're not going to cover, but it's going to be covered. You're going to secretly drop from there like a French drop, those two, okay? So it'll just look like you come over like this. Now I use the box here. It's a nice subtlety, and I have the flap side up with the half moon toward yourself. Now you're going to set what they think is the 4. These are only 2 kings, okay? Because you did the drop off. And you're going to square that up. And what's going to happen, you could flash this if this was the same color. So if you had it in black, red, black, red. So sorry, let's back up a little subtlety. Black, red, black, red. These little subtleties help a lot. Because what you do is when you come up, you're going to square up. You do the drop, this is the 10th move. And then as you square up, they're going to see a flash of the king going on top. So there's only 2 kings on top. This is a nice subtlety, and you'll see why I use this in a second. The box is easier to grab on and off like this. And you grab it right from the half moon side, correct? So this is, instead of just setting it on the table because that's a little thin packet, this helps to hide the thickness of the packet by using the box. So this is a nice subtlety that I use. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to kill these 2 kings. I get a break on them, and I just like slip cut them into the middle. Okay, you can do 2 slip cuts. You want to do it like towards the bottom. And then what you're going to do is you start to shuffle. You do a milk shuffle. Okay, you're going to do a milk shuffle forces. Okay, you ask them to say stop, and when you stop, that's going to load 1/8 there, but you're not going to show that. Okay, you're going to do another milk shuffle here. Okay, milk shuffle. Have someone say stop. Now at this point, when they stop you, what you've done is you force it so that you have 8, 8, and you have 2 8s. Okay? Well, what I do is I take the first packet here, and it'll have an 8 on top, and what I'll do is as I square it up, I'll get a double lift break. Okay? You do that by using a Larry Jennings pop get ready. So you count with your thumb, 1, 2. You could pinky count, but I like this LJ pop. This pop break thing is really cool, right? So 1, 2. Put your first finger in there, push down with your thumb, pop it up to your pinky. This is a nice subtlety. Now you turn this over and you show here that we've got an X card. Now in reality you're taking off the 8, right? You're not going to show it. You're going to pick this up, and you can square again, whatever you want to do. Usually to flash another king, and then you're going to come over and you're going to make the mouth. Okay? Now they can see there's kings there, but you don't want to show from this side. But I mean, if they caught a glimpse of it, they could see that there's king there. So this is kind of a nice subtlety if you want to flash. Say, look, goes in with the kings, and then you're putting this into the middle, and you're doing the eating action like that, right? Now, what you do is you do an Elmsley or a Jordan count, okay, to show that there's 4, okay. Now, when you're done with that count, you're going to pick these 2 on bottom so that you're in this position again, okay? 8, king, king. So now you can square up and show it like this. You could actually, quote unquote, accidentally show these 2 if you wish. Put this back on the box. Now, you're going to pick up the middle packet, do the Larry Jennings pop, get ready, the LJ pop. Okay, you're going to show another X card. Now, when you flip over the double lift, put this on top, you're actually taking one of the 8s. Now what you're going to do, pick this back up, you're going to get this ready here. See, you can show this. This is a nice subtlety to show that these are kings. Okay, this is something I added to this. Now you're here, you come over and you do the eating action. You say they eat them. Say these are cannibal cards, right? Do all the little jokes and stuff with them. You say, you know why cannibals don't eat jokers? They taste funny. You can do all the goofy jokes. Now what you're going to do is you're in position to do the Larry Jennings rhythm count, but you're going to do Alan Ackerman, my mentor's optical rhythm. So the way you do that is you go, look, you can hear the bones cracking, and you crack it like that. And then you get a break like this. You show the 4, then you get a break on 2, and then you bring it over like this. You're going to do Alan Ackerman's optical rhythm. You're going to go 1, okay, and set that down, 2, 3, and 4. So it's really clean, okay? Now what you're going to do is when you pick these up, you're going to take the kings and you're going to scoop them so that they're on the bottom. So it goes 8, 8, and kings. Now as you square these up, there's many different subtle ways you can square up like this so they can see too as you're picking it up. Different subtleties if you wish to do that. I kind of add that in. Now you're going to get a break as you square those up on the 2. Correct? Now what I do is I come over and I do the Larry Jennings pop break to get a double, and then I'm going to come over and I'm going to stick this right here with the first finger, and I'm going to turn over this double like this. Okay? So the double lift there. Now what I do is I turn it back down and then I out jog it using the side here. As I push forward like this, I'm going to drop off those 2 kings from the thumb break. Okay? That will be like that. Okay? And then I'm going to take this on top and hold it like this. Okay? I then set this down into the deck, cutting the deck as I set it off to the side. That's to kill the cards in the middle. Now you come over here and you show this guy, right? There's a double here. And then you pretend to take it off to put it in the middle. Now you can't show on this one, you can't show because you've got the 4 8s, but you're going to do the eating action. You're going to say, look, you can hear the bones cracking. The cannibals had a problem, they ate too much, and you say, look, they ate, and ate. And then you show the 4 8 finish. So I hope you like that. Please like, subscribe, and share. That's my new version of the Cannibal cards.